Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this afternoon from where else but the balcony here at the New York Stock Exchange. And after yesterday's lackluster NBA draft for the New York Knicks, where more people were booing than cheering, let's start lifting up those cheers, right? Because you know it's a Friday afternoon. You know what that means here at modernwallstreet.com. We're going to get things started a little bit early. So it's not quite 4 o'clock yet. The markets aren't closed, but it's already the weekend, at least according to me. So let's get it started. It's an early happy hour here in the Big Apple. The U.S. stocks, they are trading mostly higher this Friday afternoon right behind me as investors attempt to find optimism on the latest Greece headlines. Now, despite some positive headlines today, Greece still failing to reach a resolution with its creditors during several meetings this entire week. Leaders are scheduled to meet tomorrow on a weekend, on a Saturday, for another attempt to reach a deal ahead of the June 30th repayment deadline. Keeping overseas, Chinese stocks plunging today to close out the week. The Shanghai Composite falling more than 7%, nearly 7.5%, its biggest one-day loss in 5 months. And back here to the U.S., the only economic report out was Michigan consumer sentiment, posting a final read of 96.1 for June. Now you team that with the annual rebalancing of the Russell 2000 taking place today, a slightly higher U.S. dollar, crude oil a bit in the red, and gold slightly lower. Then you have yourself a session right now where decliners are just a touch ahead of the decliners at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out not just this session, but this quite energetic, quite volatile week as well. And we conclude on the corporate front. Nike reporting quarterly profit of 98 cents per share, beating expectations by 15 cents, with revenue also beating expectations. The athletic shoe and apparel maker able to register higher prices and increased profit margin amongst other positive factors. And with that stated, kick back, relax. Let's talk a little bit about the draft yesterday in Brooklyn, right by my house. Traffic was insane. Then I turned it on and I saw the number 4 pick. And I too was laughing with the rest of the United States and possibly the world as well. Let's go Knicks, last place again. And with that stated, for modernwallstreet.com, my phone is going crazy. That means I got to get out of here. I'm James Sweeney, and I'll see you guys all on Monday morning.